Whether in a local workshop or remote meeting, the digital whiteboard is one of the most frequently used functions. The IdeaHub B2 features 25 millisecond writing latency and zero-gap lamination screen, enabling writing as smooth as pen on papers. The IdeaHub B2 can also add auxiliary grid lines to the whiteboard background to make the page tidier. You can choose different strokes and thicknesses to meet different writing requirements. You can drag, zoom, and erase content with gestures using the intelligent writing capability. The intelligent recognition function can accurately identify texts and 11 types of graphics for clear expression. The whiteboard content can be saved in multiple ways. For example, save to the local computer, take away by scanning the QR code via Huawei Cloud Meeting or browser, or directly sent to a personal mailbox. You don't have to take photos to save the content anymore.